Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your DNS server might be unavailable, this site can't be reached. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Type 8.8.8. Type 8.8.4.4. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.